In this video, I'll show you how to fix time zone cannot be set manually. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So in order to set our time manually, firstly we need to open settings and then go to general settings, and from here we need to tap on date and time and it will open your date and time settings. Here you can see the set automatically option is grayed out, which means that I cannot change my time manually. So it is happening because I have enabled screen time in my iPhone. So we need to disable it first, then we'll be able to set our time manually. To disable screen time, firstly go back from here by tapping on this icon, go back, and now we need to open screen time settings. Once you open it, scroll down here and you will see turn off screen time option. Tap on it. Now provide your screen time passcode. Once you type your passcode, it will show you this window. Here we need to tap on turn off screen time and then your screen time will be disabled. Now go back from here and open general settings. Now tap on date and time. Once you tap on it, you can see I can disable my set automatically option now. Once you disable it, you can set your time zone from here and you can change your date and time according to you. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.